let me show y'all how to make some spicy jam chicken wings. Let's go. So once your wings are done, throw it right into the sauce that we just made and mix. Look at that. Nice glaze. I don't think y'all understand how savory this looks right here. Check this out. It's just coated with flavor. Cheers. Oh my goodness. This is the best wings I have ever made. Promise you. That finger looking good, man. We gotta give this a try. You have to give this a try. Trust me, give this a try. You'll love it. That is so good. If I don't like one more, peace.